Concert while children go hungry? Aid money under lock and key? Enough is enough, Madam Minister. You roll out a 5-concert series called I Love Jamaica in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, promising all proceeds going towards the National Recovery Program. That sounds fine on paper, but on the ground, Jamaicans are scavenging for food, living in damaged homes, with children going without. You want to throw big musical events while aid and insurance payouts already paid for Jamaica's recovery are apparently nowhere to be found. What about the hundreds of millions in aid money that the Jamaican government secured? What about the insurance payout after the hurricane? Meanwhile, you're focusing on concerts, one parish at a time. Only St. Elizabeth is getting spotlighted, while other parishes are left to fend and scramble. That doesn't sit right. Donations that were meant to go to recovery efforts are said to have gone to the office of the Prime Minister under lock and key. If that's true, then we have a serious accountability problem and a credibility crisis when you then promote concerts as the vehicle for relief. It's not the idea of healing through music that I'm attacking. It's the timing and optics. You need to show that. The aid money has been dispersed fairly, transparently, and equitably. All affected parishes and communities are getting their share, not just 1 or 2 for show. The infrastructure repair, food security, shelter, and basic services have been prioritized before diverting attention to high-profile concerts. Until those conditions are met, staging concerts while people wait for clean water, safe housing, and food support comes off as tone-deaf. And worse, it risks becoming a spectacle for the few rather than a recovery for the many. Minister Grange, if the children are still hungry, if families are still displaced, if aid is still sitting locked away, then to hell with concerts. Let us first rebuild. Let us first account. Let us first restore dignity to those living in the debris. Then, later we can sing and dance, but not while lives are still hanging by a thread. Before anyone starts dancing to Babsy Grange's concert beat, remember this: hungry children can't sing, and flooded homes don't clap to music. We need accountability, not entertainment. We need transparency before any stage show. This is Michy Dex Commentary, and we speak the truth. No fear, no filter. If you agree, like, comment, and share this message, because Jamaica deserves more than concerts. Jamaica deserves honesty and real relief. This commentary is based on reporting from the Jamaica Observer article, 5-concert series to aid Hurricane Melissa recovery, published November 4th, 2025.